Please note that the ClipX Engineer Assemble Worker Assistant software is currently only available as a software add-on for the desktop version of ClipX Engineer. To use the add-on, the first step is to download and install the required installation package. The installation file can be found on the ClipX Engineer Assemble product page. Simply enter ClipX Engineer in the search field on the Phoenix Contact website. The appropriate product suggestions will be displayed directly, and click on ClipX Engineer Assemble. The product detail page will open then. There you will find below under the tab Downloads and then under Software the installation package. If you do not have the desktop version of ClipX Engineer yet, you can also download the software here. Simply click on the installation file, accept the license conditions and click on Download. The same applies to downloading the installation package. You will also need the Activation Wizard application to activate the software license later. This can also be downloaded directly here. After successful download, the files must first be unpacked, and then the installation can be started. We start with the installation of the ClipX Engineer desktop version. The desktop version of ClipX Engineer opens automatically after successful installation. For use, the license conditions must be accepted first. And we close the application again to install the other files. Now we install the ClipX Engineer Assemble installation package. After successful installation, ClipX Engineer Assemble is executed in the background. Now we open ClipX Engineer again. After starting, you can create a new project or open an existing project. In this case, we simply open an existing project. Once the project has loaded, the Shop Floor tab is available at the top. This is the add-on for the Worker Assistant software. Click on it to open the ClipX Engineer Assemble application. The project is transferred directly. A paid license is required to use the add-on and thus the Worker Assistance function. If a license is not available yet, the button Upgrade Premium appears at the bottom left. Clicking on the button will take you directly back to the product detail page to purchase the license. Simply add it to your shopping cart. After the purchase, you will receive an email with a ticket ID. To activate the license key, the previously downloaded Activation Wizard software must be installed beforehand. Here too, the file must be unpacked in advance in order to install the application. After installation, simply use the search function to find the Activation Wizard application and start it. Select Activate a license in the next step. Then enter the ticket ID from the email and confirm. In the last step, the existing license is displayed and the process is completed by clicking on Activate. Then close the application by clicking on Exit. All applications must be now restarted. We close ClipX Engineer again and also the ClipX Engineer Assemble application running in the background. To do this, we need to open the Task Manager and end the task ClipX Engineer Assemble. Then we restart ClipX Engineer Assemble, which will run in the background again. After that, we start ClipX Engineer again and open a project. After opening the project, we start the Worker Assistance software again via the Shop Floor tab. The button at the bottom now shows Start Production and indicates that the license has been successfully activated and the Worker Assistance function can now be used. By clicking on the button, the terminal strip can now be assembled step by step. For each assembly step, the box at the top left shows which item is required for the assembly step and in what quantity. At the top right is a bar showing the progress and the total number of assembly steps. After each step, click on the button on the right to confirm execution and you are then forwarded to the next assembly step. Click on the left button to return to the previous assembly step. Once all necessary parts and components have been assembled, the work steps for the labeling and where they need to be placed are displayed. When assembling bridges, the software first shows the steps for preparing all the bridges used. Then it shows where the bridges need to be inserted. Hold down the mouse button to rotate the terminal strip. Click on the arrow symbol to release the inserted bridges. Click on the 100% button to return to the front view. Now we continue with the placement of the terminal strip marking. Click on the ruler icon to activate the dimensioning function to display assembly distances between the items. After the last step has been carried out and confirmed, the production of the project is automatically completed. A message window will then appear at the bottom indicating that the production has been completed.